In this video, I wanted to do a follow-up video on the video where I did feather sexting for baby chicks. I made several videos about a couple years ago when I was incubating my ladies' chicken eggs. Jules was the father. After they hatched, I did some research to see if I could feather sex the baby chicks to see how many males and how many females I had. So I shared that I was going to do a follow-up video to confirm how many I actually had incubated. I put the results in the middle of a different video. And so unless you caught that video, you really didn't know what the results were. So I am dedicating this video solely to what the results were, if I was accurate with feather sexting the baby chicks or not. Here we go. So this is a follow-up video from when I did the sexting of the baby chicks. The chickens that are all red are not, they're not from the baby chicks. Okay, so this white and black one looks like it might be a rooster. The black one looks like it might be a rooster. That tan and black one back there looks like it's probably a rooster. And then we got two more that are the black astrolorps right there and right there. That was from our original 11 eggs. So it looks like there were 4 roosters from the original 11 eggs that were fertilized, and then 7 of them hatched. So of the 7 that hatched, and there you have it. Through my research, and whether I just did it wrong or I should have done it when the chickens were only a few days old, these were the results. Obviously not what I expected. I realize that also it really doesn't matter if the eggs are a certain shape or not. I know there was an old wives' tale saying that whenever you incubate eggs, the rounder the eggs, it will be females. That is not true. It's an old wives' tale because when I did my incubating, most of my eggs were pretty rounded, and you just saw what the results were. So I totally suck at feather sexting baby chicks. I will just leave it up to the professionals. That's why I like to order my baby chicks online, because they are professionally sexed. So I know for sure that if I want hens, I'm going to get hens. And if I want a rooster, I'll get a rooster. So another definitive way of knowing for sure if you have a male or female, you're just gonna have to wait. And if they lay eggs, it's a hen. If they crow, it's a rooster. For those of you who are wondering, no, you do not need a rooster for hens to lay eggs. You only want a rooster if you want fertilized eggs. Or in my case, I decided to get a rooster because I thought that it would be nice for our Roo, aka Jules, to protect the hens whenever they're free ranging and from predators. So I do have Jules for also fertilizing eggs. He was the baby daddy of the eggs that I incubated when I first started making these videos, which were about 2 years ago. So if you like this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to continue watching videos, anything to do with my chickens, which I'm going to be getting 23 more baby chicks around the week of May 19th this year. So I will be definitely doing videos on that and how I receive them in. I order them online and then I receive them via U.S. Postal Service. And I can show you how I arrange for pickup, have the brooder boxes ready, and get them going. So I'll have the brooder boxes. I'll show you what I do with all of that. I also do a lot of videos with anything about our house inside or out. It could be makeovers or gardens, DIYs, woodworking, landscaping, cooking, grilling, baking. Anyways, I do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to follow me on my journey with any of these things, be sure you subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.